Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up a TradingView demo account. First, navigate to the TradingView website or open their mobile application. Once there, look for the paper trading option, usually found in the trading panel at the bottom. Click on it and then select Connect to link your virtual account. This simple step activates your demo environment, allowing you to practice without any financial risk. With your paper trading account active, you can now explore its full potential. This feature allows you to practice various trading strategies without risking any real capital. You'll typically start with a virtual balance, often $100,000, to simulate real market conditions. Use this environment to place trades, test indicators, and analyze your performance with detailed statistics, helping you refine your approach. TradingView's demo account offers great flexibility for customization. You can easily adjust your initial virtual balance to better suit your practice needs, perhaps starting with $5,000 or $10,000. If you want a fresh start, you can reset your paper trading account at any point. This allows you to experiment freely with different order types, indicators, and charting tools to find what works best for you. To maximize your learning, treat your demo account as if it were real money. This mindset helps you develop discipline and realistic expectations. Focus on developing a consistent trading plan and strategy before considering live trading. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, for more great deals and to check out that Owala water bottle, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.